Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little gift that I got in the mail yesterday from EMT Railfan. EMT Railfan, who lives in an undisclosed location on the East Coast. Let's take a look at this nice little Zippo. It's a normal Zippo black box, and the back says Tattoo, Fire, and Fist. Tattoo, Fire, and Fist. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. There's a good look at it. Now this one's on a chrome finish, street chrome finish, and it was made in A or January of 18. Really good stampings on this one. Good sound with a steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Fist Zippo. Okay, the Fist Zippo from EMT Railfan passes the drop test nicely. It's going to be a good one for my collection. A big thanks to EMT Railfan, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.